Hey guys, happy April 5th, I think. Whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm in my car right now in the parking lot of my school. I don't really feel the need to have anybody see me doing this. My hair is a mess. I just had a test and another class, and I cannot wait to be done. But anyways, I'm gonna vlog today because I'm going to be doing a couple of things. Right now I'm gonna be heading to Natalie's, just hang out there for a little bit, and then at 3:30 I have a class with my trainer, and then I have to go pick up my boyfriend because I'm gonna be giving him his birthday present early. Ignore that pimple, by the way. It's just, I popped it. Anyways, you probably weren't even paying attention to it until I mentioned it, but yeah, I popped it, so it's there. But anyway, I'm going to be giving my boyfriend his gift early. It is only the 5th. His birthday's not until the 21st. But you'll see later, and he'll have it by then. But he bowls in a league every Friday, from like September to like April, like every single year. So he really wanted a new bowling ball, so I'm buying him a new bowling ball, and I'm going to bring him there to get it all like fit and stuff or whatever and sized, because his season ends the 26th. Well, technically the week before the 26th, but like their banquet's on the 26th, and they usually just like bowl for fun. So he wanted to try it out for the season, because I was trying to brainstorm with him like what he wanted for his birthday, because he's really hard to shop for, and he like mentioned that, but I was like, no, like it's too expensive, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna do it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. But I'm gonna be driving to Natalie's right now, so I'll check back in with you when I get there. I don't know what we're doing, but I know she's ordering food, so that should be fun. But yeah, okay, bye. Okay, they gave me a large coffee today instead of a medium, so like it's still there, it's not being drank. Let's see. Oof. Oh, something just fell. I can never get this damn door open. The garage is open. Should we just like wing it and go with it? I can never get this fucking door open. Oh. Okay. This is the situation.
I wonder if it's in the mailbox. Hey.
Dude, this song is about to get so annoying. How long is it gonna play for? Did I put it on wrong? Wait.
Having a baby 101.
Did you put it on wrong, or did I put it on wrong?
I put it on wrong.
Did you? Oh my god, this is so fucking weird.
Oh, fuck, I put it on wrong. I look like a raccoon.
Short at Applebee's. Food? I feel like I put it on wrong. I've never done this before. That makes sense. Cannot wait until Applebee's gets here. I'm so hungry. Life goes on.
I know, it looks weird. 20 minutes. Set an alarm for 20 minutes. Alexa, set an alarm for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, starting now.
That mom life.
Hello. How are you? Yeah,
Okay, he was kind of cute.
And I said, excuse my face. I came to the door with my tits popping out. Hi.
Okay, so I got done with my workout class a little bit ago, and I took a shower, and I'm about to go pick up Sebastian to take him to get his birthday present. I have a protein shake that I made myself. It's right there. But since I'm being illegal right now, I should probably put my phone down, so I will talk to you guys when I get him.
Yeah.
Thumb inserts.
Just the fingers.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Of course I do, babe.
You left my car unlocked.
There you go, sorry.
Nice going. So do you like it?
Yes, I do, babe. Thank you.
You're a nerd.
Yeah, I'm your nerd.
Struggling.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
So apparently I don't know how to end vlogs. I haven't ended vlogs in the right way the last couple of times, but I don't really go out, so I haven't been vlogging as much. I've been doing a lot of work and school and everything, and like nothing really else, but hopefully I'm gonna get back into posting vlogs on the weekends. We'll see. It all depends on what I do during the week. The trip to North Carolina is coming up really soon. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas for those vlogs. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.
I don't have to be a